we're reviewing the Capybara today. So now it's in stock. So it's scratchy, it's cute. Look at that one. So you can roll a ball with it, you can roll it. It made it into a sausage, and next we got the Robyns. And then you can squidge with it. Face the glowy ghost. Look at that. So it's squidgy. And then you got the hardest gumdrop. Oh, it's very hard. So it's the hardest, and it's the soft, and it's the grittiest, it's the softest. It's the we've got the Valentine's heart in stock. You can see. It's Squish Push 2. It's a Needoh Heart today. It's a Needoh. Today we're reviewing the Needoh Heart today. Valentine's heart, Valentine's Day heart. It goes like there. Like the same. It's this. So squidgiest and scratchiest. And then you got the Capybara. It's scratchier and softier and squishier. Okay. See you soon. See you later in another video. You can always visit our website about more squidges. Visit www.mysenden.co.uk. Okay, if you want to find out more about the Needoh Gumdrops, visit on the website into the Needoh section on the link below. Click on the link below if you want the Needoh. If you want the Needoh Gumdrops, visit www.mysenden.co.uk. Okay. See you soon. See you later. Bye.